Kids, arts, crafts, science, and more. Hi guys, we're gonna make binoculars. We're going to make 2 binoculars, one for me and one for my sister. We will need 2 tissue rolls, glue, a scissor, yarn, some gift paper or some colored paper, and glue gun. First we get 2 tissue rolls. Put glue all over this tissue roll. Both of them. Okay, I'll make this bigger. Then rub it all around. After we put the glue on this, we get the gift paper and wrap it all around it. So I stuck the gift paper on this. Now we start the other one. There's some extra paper on this, so we have to cut it. My sisters and mine are ready. So for the next one, we need a grown-up because we have to stick it together with hot glue. So it's gonna be hot. So guys, this is how it turned out. Next, we get thread and then cut it about this long. A little bit here. Good. So hang on our neck. Because what if it slips out of our hand? It might get lost. So we're going to make the thread. Make a mark over here to punch the hole. So mark it. There we go. Now punch a hole on both of the sides. Now insert the thread in both of the holes. Now we tie a knot. Put 2 or 3 or 4 knots on this so it doesn't come out easily. So let me just try this, if it works. Whoa, this looks cool. Guys, if you want to do bird watching with this, you could go outside and wear them, and then you can see the bird. So the binoculars are ready. I can't wait to try them. Whoa, these are cool. I love these. I hope you like my video. Like, share, and subscribe.